ये कोई रिकॉर्डेड रैंडम वीडियो नहीं है, ये वही सेम वीडियो है जिसने मुझे हेल्प किया वेदांतु में सिलेक्ट होने के लिए। यदि आप भी डेमो वीडियो देने जा रहे हो या रिकॉर्ड करने जा रहे हो तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना, बिकॉज इनिशियली मैं भी आपकी तरह कंफ्यूज थी कि एग्जैक्टली डेमो वीडियो में क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है। बट एक्चुअली दिस वीडियो हैज हेल्प्ड मी टू क्रैक थ्रू दिस स्टेज। तो आइए उस वीडियो को देखते हैं ताकि आपका भी सिलेक्शन श्योर शॉट हो जाए।
Hey Shruti, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you so much for asking. Yeah, can I have a quick chat with your parents if they are here? Okay, that's great. Hello sir, hello ma'am, how are you doing? Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, all right. So before we start, I just want to introduce myself. So my name is Sneha and I am science tutor over here. I have been teaching since last 2 years and I love teaching science. That's my passion. Oh yeah, that's great. She also loves science? Oh, that then this session is going to be very interesting. Oh, that's great. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Hi, Shruti. Now, I just want to ask you about your hobbies, if you have any. Oh, you love painting? Even I love painting too. So, what we can do one day, you bring your painting and I'll bring mine, and we'll share our paintings with each other. Okay, that's great. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now are you ready to go ahead? All right. Are you excited? Oh, that's great. All right. So, today in this session, we are going to learn about the structure of the atom. All right. And their subatomic particles that are present inside an atom, their properties, and how they are forming the isotopes. All right. Okay. So, are you ready to go? That's great. Now, tell me, what are atoms? Oh, you already know about this? That's great. Yeah, atom is something. This is like a pen. You can see in my hand. Yeah. So all the non-living things that are in our the entire world, this is made up of the smallest thing. That is the atom. Everything in the world is made up of an atom, and the elements are made up of only one type of atom, and each element is having the specific atom inside it that can be neutral. That means that is having no overall charge on it. Okay, that's nice. Now we are going ahead. Let's learn about the atom, what is inside it. So this is the nucleus, which is at the center of the atom. Okay, you know anything else about the nucleus? Oh, you have heard the same in the cell. Yeah, right. Great. So this is also the similar kind of things, which is having the center of the atom, and overall mass of the atom is contained inside it. Getting it? Oh, that's great then. All right. Now, here the atom has some subatomic particles inside it. Okay. So these are the protons, the electrons, and the neutrons. Okay. Yeah, we'll be learning about all these things one by one. No worries. Okay. I hope you liked it. Okay, that's nice. Uh-huh. So which part you like the most? Oh, that simulation. Oh, that's great. Okay. Right. Now I just want to have a quick chat with your parents. Yeah, can you please call them? Okay, that will be great. Yeah, hello sir, hello ma'am. Oh, have you been through the session? Right. So, how was your experience with us? Oh, that's great. I appreciate that you like the session. Oh, right. Even Shruti was being very interactive during the entire session and she was answering all the questions that I was asking her. Right. Yeah, she was being very curious to know more things about the atom we studied today. Right. Thank you so much for being with us. Yeah, have a great day. Enjoy your day ahead. Oh, that's
तो ये था मेरा वो वीडियो, वो डेमो क्लास जो एक्चुअली वेदांतु के लिए सिलेक्ट हुआ। और यदि आप समझना चाहते हो कि मैंने इस वीडियो में क्या किया, ऐसा क्या किया जिसने मुझे सिलेक्ट होने में हेल्प किया, तो मैंने एक डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑलरेडी पोस्ट किया हुआ है, आप उसको ज़रूर देखिए और समझिए कि हाउ आई यूज्ड ऑल दीज स्ट्रेटजीज इन माय डेमो क्लास।